In this video, we are traversing over a list and returning the largest product of two elements, as shown here. The list must not be sorted. We need to write the solution as to iterate over the list. And there are 4 different ways we can do this. We can use the zip function, the range function, a for loop, and a list append. For our first solution, we will use the zip function, which will iterate over 2 lists. You might be asking, 2 lists? How can that be when we only have 1 to work with? What this solution will do is take our original list and compare it to itself, only our duplicate list will start at index 1, like this. It will then take one element from each list and put both elements into a tuple. By designating the 2 elements as A and B, you then write the function to multiply both numbers, or A times B. And as a last step, you implement the max function and it will return the largest product, or maximum result. Our second solution will iterate through the list and start multiplying as indicated by the asterisk at the first index and then moving to its next index throughout the list. It will multiply successively as shown in the I plus 1 through the range of the length of the list till the last number as indicated by -1. Again, utilizing the max function outside the parentheses will return the largest product in the range of our list. Using a list append is our third approach, unfortunately. I don't know why, but the list append isn't my cup of tea. Isn't that funny how we can all have our preferences even when it comes to computer languages? This is a very similar concept that was used in our second example, where we iterate through the list I times I plus 1 in an appended new list and then returning the largest product. Last example makes this one a bit interesting. Starting at variable n, assigned as the first and second index multiplied together, which is 0 and 1 respectively. We write a for loop and then iterate through the list in our if statement. Any multiplied pair of elements greater than n becomes reassigned. The variable n then gets returned as the largest product. I'm sure there may be even more ways to solve this problem, which makes coding such a versatile and challenging field. I hope this tutorial was informative for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Daily videos throughout the week are coming out, so don't forget to subscribe.